You see?
Look at this. Oh, chill out. Oh. I'm not doing this. I'm just recording. To be honest, that one is perfect.
Yeah.
Which one?
And also we have the rocks. We can do the falafel easy. Because I wouldn't cook with that. I would use it to make a falafel. Look, it's ready.
Yep.
If you want to show them the way to our pet, you can either pass from the forest or from the water. You want to make it funny?
You guys going?
I'm just.
Maybe you go fast, you bring the trolley and then...
You go, Robbie.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's go.
Get the main target at some point.
That was good, man. A bit of freshness.
Fresh, yeah.
Now you are fresh.
Yeah. It's good, eh? But yeah, anyways, where there were people, the spot would have been...
Taken.
No.
Be careful! Robbie! You go.
Okay, this way. And let's take them. There's this, no insects inside.
Did you make it work?
No, just open everything. It's already, you can open like that.
Works or not? Hey, all this stuff we don't have.
We did. Can I turn it off?
No, well, we just put the pizza like that.
It's strong, man.
You see?
No.
Sit for a second. Chill out.
I text them.
Yeah? Any updates?
Yeah, they reply. Joe reply. Yeah, but they are gonna leave around 6:30 maybe. Yeah.
That's such a good frame. I don't need to move anything. Bring my camera here. I was fishing with my camera. I was inside the lake like this with the Fuji, with those wheelies that cover you until here. Over, can't forget your mind. Along the way, hey, everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. I remember when we used to sleep. And then I got my tongue and on. You don't need love, you just need friends. I wanna go to a trip with my friends, with no destination, with no destination. Because everyone needs a little break from the reality,
the reality, from the reality. You just need to go through on barefoot, on barefoot. Just walk pela floresta, procurando spot legal. Só precisamos de faia pra ficar legal. If you wanna go
Start again.
huh?
Start again. We can cut it from there to you appear here.
If you want it a little break from the reality, from the reality. If you wanna go fools, come on barefoot. You are not on barefoot. You can be so Nutella in the middle of the floresta. If you wanna be nice, remove your flip-flops.
Flip-flops.
Now he's hood, getting his food. He is nice. He is nice. If you wanna go hood, if you wanna be hood, come on barefoot. Come on barefoot. Eu vi gnomo.
What do you want me to do?
Yeah, get the guitar. Yeah, we'd like to include the roots as well in the frame.
Looks so good. The roots.
Yeah,
Want me
but
to turn it, David?
I will need to move.
Yeah, to move everything.
Let's see if I go here. Arca puttana. Get the bass and then we play something here. Get that. No, but this was a good frame.
Yeah, it's really good frame, man.
Yeah, but with you as well.
Come here, man.
Arco troia! What song do you wanna do? We don't have much battery. Be closer. Okay. Yeah.
There's roots everywhere, also on your... This is wrong.
My finger went inside the man. 2 hours doing this and then you break. Oh, you're gonna meet Joe, man. You guys are very similar. He's so nerd. He's the one that is a nerd guy.
I took a shit in that place.
Ah, but not here in the forest.
Not yet. That's gonna be tomorrow, man. Tomorrow morning.
It's so good. Close your eyes while you do it.
It's LA Noir now.
Good cheese.
Bella, vamos lá.
Valencia, Barcelona, a couple of days each. And I just had to learn Spanish just by necessity. If you see it, it's like a face, man.
I could see that. You have like the two eyes, the nose, and the mouth right
Yeah. Oh yeah. Where is Joe? He's just pissing. Yeah, but I don't think.
Do you have a light?
Light?
Yeah.
I do, but in my backpack.
No, we need a light before it gets dark.
Let's put another one. You cold?
Não, é? Desfalam.
Ah, caralho, sempre que eu tô falando.
Eu tô nossa.
Oh, major.
Wood.
Oh, Joe is good. Oh, what a Joe. Don't mind if I stay in the front because I'm recording, okay?
You're gonna play music, amazing.
Oh yeah, that one is.
Exactly. Keep going.
Yeah, good shit.
My name is Joe. I don't play this game for 2 weeks. Then I walk up all this shade by the trees like tomorrow. By a mellow green. For a mile, I'm heading to Dublin, town. Let's go! Oh, my favorite colors. Oh, my favorite colors. My sisters and my brother, this is like no other. Oh,
Chris, it's not
She goes from that seems to me reminds me of childhood memories. They as fresh as a bright blue sky.
she got
me and John. nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't never one of mine, you ain't no friend of mine. And you said it was high chance, and you said it's a mine. I don't know what the rest of the song is singing, but I'll continue. Oh.
No. Johnny be good. Fuck's sake.
You guys want some?
What is that? Oh,
nice.
you can do the guacamole without me, my G. You don't need this.
But we want the guacamole?
Yeah, we're starving, my G. Oh, wasting time.
Yeah, let's eat fruit. That is easy. We have it there.
No,
Yeah,
you
natural
eat so well.
vegan lifestyle.
Okay, but how are we gonna chop the avocados?
I'm gonna help you.
Yeah, we do like.
Yeah. Just start until I fix this one, and then I maybe I pass this to Joe because
But do you want to eat? Are you hungry?
be honest.
Não, é pra comer.
We all,
I'm not too bad, but if there was something given to me, I would eat.
because we are feeling cold, and then food keeps you.
No, but the
warm.
fire. We need to.
Yeah, but like being cold, like burns fat as well. Oh yeah, where'd that stick go? I think more wood. I think we need more wood. I think I'll just drop some more of these in there. Yeah. There's a lot of stuff in there.
Okay, we need like definitely another bag to organize.
I was looking for the other line, man. The other one.
Oh, you got peppers, onions, chopped tomatoes. Wow.
But you want to actually cook?
Yeah, man, I help you. Look how much we brought. It's not a lot.
That is quite a lot. That's enough for like a week.
Let's know to make like a sauce.
Oh. That's so Italian. I'm making the sauce.
Muito vermelho?
É.
Caralho.
O que vocês querem? Vocês querem garfo? Eu tenho garfo.
Melhor, né?
Man, let's cook everything.
Você colocou bonito no abacate.
É verdade. Fazer um purê de avocado. Nossa senhora. He's Spanish. He's gonna.
Throw this in.
No. There are some big ones. Look what's strong.
We are smashing.
Oh, tô quase botando a mão.
Isso é uma caixa.
Olha aí, eu vou quebrar só a perna. Olha isso. Looking good. I found my beer. Oh,
It's really fresh. The chips.
Over there. You got chips there, okay?
Yeah, I get the chips.
No, there's a beer in the water. Yep, just be careful, okay?
How's that possible? 24 hours, never stop.
Yep, always goes.
Crazy, isn't it?
Infinite amount of water.
Take it. It's heavy, be careful.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God.
The maximum.
Oh, my God.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Come on, stick a bunch of sticks in an already lit fire.
So much to cut, man. I would cut all.
Nah, man.
Tomaten.